Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up your ArriveCan information when you come to Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. So in front of you, like I have made this video before as well, but since the app has been updated, so I gotta make it once more. So if you go to the app store and search for ArriveCan, this is what you get. So this is an iOS device, but even in Android, you're gonna get something similar. So I have already installed it. If you click it, ask for notifications, so better you allow it, because anything happens, you can go through it. Create the account, that's the first step you should do. I have already created the account, but still I'm gonna show you how to create an account. Okay, so on this screen I'm gonna freeze my screen for some time, and then we will take it up from there. Okay. So after you complete the verification, you come to this screen, and here what happens is that they send you a code on your email account. That code is you need to enter while verifying your account, and you come here. Here you need to click, after the code this is gonna happen. Okay, so now you are ready. So you got to click on start. Now find out the purpose. Let's say you are just coming, let's say you are a Canadian citizen and you are returning. There could be many reasons, and if you see, this app has been updated now, because fully vaccinated people can come for optional reasons as well. So even tourism is also included. See, family reunion and all these categories are available here. So let's say if you're returning to Canada, you select this and select the mode you are coming in. Let's say you are coming by flight. Okay, enter the details of your planned arrival to Canada within the next 72 hours. If your trip is not within the next 72 hours, come back and complete your submission later. So that means you have to submit within 72 hours of your travel. I know why, because probably this is to enter RT-PCR as well. What is the last country you stayed in or visited prior to your flight to Canada? So let's say you are coming from India. So I select India. Although the direct flights from India are currently banned. Arrival airport, let's say you're coming to Toronto Pearson Airport. And Terminal 1, or I think Terminal 3 I should say, because generally people go, international flights, arrival happens at Terminal 3. Let's say you're coming through Air Canada. And AC042 or 43, I think it is the direct arrival. And I'm just assuming that flights are operating. I know they are not operating now, and it comes around 5:30 in the morning, if I'm not wrong. Next, register your travel document, very important. See, all these things are here. So let's say you're a Canadian citizen, so you enter your passport. So what happens, it tries to scan, but even if your scanner does not work or your camera is not good, you can enter it manually. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some random values. Oh. Document, I'm just put a sample number. Surname, so let's say alphanumeric and followed by 6 digits. Okay, I think now it will be accepted. Okay, let's say the person name is John Smith. Date of birth, okay, let's say 1996, month 01, date 01. Next. So unless exempt, all travelers on the same ArriveCan submission must be prepared to quarantine in the same location for the full duration of the quarantine period. So as you know that even if there are quarantine exemptions, even for discretionary reasons like tourism, still you need to have a backup plan in case you test positive on arrival. Okay, or in case you develop symptoms. Case by case. So let's say nobody is traveling along with him, so he just selects this, click on next. So I just put a sample number, click on next. Have you received a COVID-19 vaccine? It is not required to be fully vaccinated for entry into Canada. Your response to this question will have no bearing on your entry to Canada. You know why this is coming? Because I have selected it as a citizen. If I would have selected tourism or something, then probably this would not be the case. But anyway, it's fine. Let's say he has received. Click next. Which COVID-19 vaccine used for your first dose? So I have all the options. Let's say Pfizer. Which country did you receive COVID-19 vaccine? So let's say he got in Canada itself. Date you received. So let's say this guy got sometime in June 11th. Fine. Yeah. Have you received the second dose? Yes. Which vaccine? Again I select Pfizer. In which country? This again he got in Canada. And when you got, let's say he got in July 13. Upload the proof of vaccination. Upload a file, photo, or use your camera's phone to take a photo of your vaccination receipt. Bring a paper or electronic copy of your proof of vaccination receipt when you travel and return it throughout the quarantine period. Your vaccination status will be confirmed at the border. And it must be either in English or French or certified translation. And if it is not in English or French, upload the certified translation and bring the official document when you travel. Okay. So I'll just put a sample here. This is requirements for travel. Be aware that the following requirements may apply to you. So you can read it, like negative RT-PCR test and all. You click I understand. Do you have a positive positive test result or a sample taken 14 and 180 days before the scheduled departure of your flight? Let's say no. Do you have proof of negative molecular RT-PCR test? Yes. Which country did you receive a molecular test from? So I'm gonna put, let's say, India. I know they are not accepting now. As a traveler coming to Canada, you need to declare all the countries you visited 14 days. In the last 14 days, did you anyone travel with you visit any country beside India? Let's say no. Let's complete quarantine plan questionnaire. Okay. Do you have accommodation where you can quarantine for 14 days? Yes. Can you avoid all contact with people in your household? Okay, yeah. Will you have access to necessities of life, including water, food, medication, and heat without leaving quarantine? Yes. Are there at-risk people at the location where you plan to quarantine? Let's say no. Is a person at the location where you plan to quarantine who works or assists in a facility, home, or workplace that includes at-risk population? Let's say no. Is it a group living environment? Let's say no. Now address. Okay. Destination where you are gonna stay, like returning home, staying with friends, family, hotel, motel, accommodation. So I'm selecting resident returning home. Now which address should I give? Let me put something. What can I put? Okay, let me find out some sample. This is completed. Next is to complete the COVID-19 self-assessment. Next. Now it is asking you, do you have any issues? Now you are ready to submit. So that's how simple it is, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and comment, and thanks for watching, guys.